Do you have stubborn gray areas that just won't curl? Today I have a game-changing tip for you involving aluminium foil for those stubborn gray areas. But before we dive in, if you're new here, subscribe. Remember to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can show you more videos in this topic. First things first, start with your styled hair. I'm using a curl activator cream by Curl Jar for natural definition and control. Plus, it smells like lemongrass. Talk about a win-win. This product was sent to me as a gift with no obligation to post. So here I am just using it to try and see how it works for my hair. Now you grab some repurposed aluminium foil. Mine came from a takeout box. Talk about being eco-friendly. Did you know that the combination of flaxseed in curl activator creams can enhance your curl definition? Inspired by viral videos, I wondered if this could tame my stubborn gray areas. Ever wondered why gray areas seem so unruly? It's because they have a different texture and structure compared to the pigmented hair, making them harder to manage. They're just like skeletons. Anyway, once your hair is dry with the foil in, gently remove them one by one to reveal your defined curls. I like to avoid disturbing the hair to prevent frizz. You may find that I'm overreacting a little bit, but if you see my hair without products, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like day 3. And that's why I was so excited to try this. And I also coiled one section of my hair that wasn't as grey as my front sections just to see how it works out. You know, aluminum foil can retain heat, allowing your hair to set without using damaging heat styling tools. And you can see how defined and bouncy they are because of this tinfoil method. Since my curls were still setting, I applied a bit of my favorite hair oil from Only Curls London. It smells so nice and it adds a touch of darkness to my curls. Perfect for blending those stubborn grays, I guess. Did you know that castor oil, commonly found in hair oils, is known for its moisturizing and darkening properties? Now that explains it. So with my palms, what I'm doing here is the praying hands method and gently separating my big curl clumps. Oops, frizz there, but thankfully it came back. So after separating big clumps like this, I still wasn't happy with the volume that I had with my hair. I guess I used too much cream. Finally, I quickly diffuse my hair for just under a minute to lock in the oil and enhance my hair's elasticity. This trick keeps my curls bouncing for days. Did you know diffusing your hair can actually speed up the drying time but also result in bouncier curls? Well, I did a whole post about air drying versus diffusing. I'll link it in my description if you want to watch it. And there you have it. It's my secret to taming my stubborn gray areas and achieving long-lasting curls. Trust me, this method works wonders for these unruly stubborn pieces. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and stay tuned for more curly tips. Until next time.